So now we have our robot completely assembled.
Spike.
You're going to name him Spike?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next thing we got to do is we got to get batteries to put in the back.
And the battery for this remote doesn't have any.
Yep. And we can also, Daddy's already downloaded the app on his phone.
He's smiling.
So you can also control him through an iPhone or an iPad.
Hey, good job.
Hey, you did this.
You did this all by yourself.
Congratulations. How old are you again?
This many and a half.
That many and a half?
Amazing.
Amazing.
I'm very proud of you.
Hey, let's go get dressed and then we'll start with programming. Okay? We'll go get, yes, Mommy's right. We'll go get the batteries. But later, you and I will work on the programming, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Bye.